I'm such a dork. I'm surprised that the Too Faced lipstick doesn't do that. Hello, beautiful.
Looking down with all the games you play.
Lipstick smells so delicious. The Too Faced Peach Kiss smells so good. If you're someone who loves peaches, you are going to love this collection. Too Faced has a huge collection of foundation, primers, and setting powder that smells like peaches. Smells so freaking good. First of all, my lips are very dry. They're very chapped. They're dry as the hell Sahara Desert. And these lipsticks, and most lipsticks, they crease on me. They settle down to the lines. It just doesn't look cute on dry lips. With these lipsticks, glides on so smoothly, so moisturized onto my lips, and actually smells really good too. It's not overpowering the peach smell. It's like subtle. It smells good, but once you apply it, you don't really smell it until it kind of fades away. Too Faced has the cutest packaging. I'll be trying these 3 shades on and make me blush. He's with me, so I'll show you guys what these lipstick looks like on me and my overall thoughts about what I feel with the lipsticks. I talk a lot with my hands, so let's get started. Hi, beautiful. If you're new, I'm Carolyn. I'd really love it if you hit that subscribe button and also hit the little notification if you're new. The Too Faced Peach Sweet Kiss smells so good. If you're looking for any lipsticks that doesn't dry out your lips, that needs to be really moisturized, I tend to have more normal to dry lips. The Too Faced is really moisturizing long wear lipstick infused with peach, sweet, and figs. When I opened this, it smelled so good. It does smell like peaches and figs. If you're someone who loves peaches, you are gonna love the smell of this. And the best part of the lipstick is I absolutely love how pretty the packaging is. White and gold detailing. It's just so beautiful. The packaging is really cute. There's a little peach on the bottom right here. The packaging looks really bougie, really cute. I absolutely love the packaging. It's just really cute. When you pop this off, the entire thing is gold, really beautiful. The lipstick is so cute. It has peaches stamped onto the lipstick. It's so cute. I haven't seen any other lipsticks that has done this. Appreciate little details like that. It's very cute.
As good as the day I met you, I forget just what.
It feels so buttery, creamy, just glides right onto the lips. It feels really moisturizing. Best cuteness? That didn't even make sense. Anyways, so this is the color. I don't feel like it's really matte. Maybe give it some time. It's supposed to be long wearing. Lipstick feels so velvety and creamy, just glides right onto your lips. It reminds me of a MAC lipstick. Now I'm trying He's With Me, just red undertone lipstick. The lipstick is so soft. It just melts and glides right onto your lips. I think this might be my favorite lipstick out of the 3 that I've tried. Oh my god, this color. This color is stunning. So good on the lips. It smells like peaches. The packaging is cute. I just love how it feels. Made it all the way here. Make sure to hit that subscribe down the bar below and hit that bell. Let me know down in the comments below what is your favorite brand.